Let's understand from the given question, we know that the 3 points which we are talking about are A, B and C. We need to know whether these points are collinear, and if they are collinear, then identify and then state which point is between the other two. But how do we decide whether the points are collinear? It's very simple. What do we do? Out of the 3 distances, pick up the bigger distance. Which one is that? Distance between A and B, 16. Keep it aside first. The other 2 smaller ones, add it up first. So we write distance between C and A plus distance between B and C is 9 plus 7. How much is that? It is 16. Beautiful. And let's say that's our result number 1, right? Now the next one, the longer one, what is that? Distance between A and B, that is 16, and that's our result number 2. Now observe this. When you look at this, we say result number 1 it is 16, result number 2 is 16. Yes, they are equal. That means we are saying that distance between C and A plus distance between B and C, it is equal to distance between A and B. Now that's important. What happens if this is equal? We are saying that yes, there is collinearity, there is betweenness between these 3 points. Which one? A, B and C. But the question is, which point is between the other 2? How do we decide? There are 2 ways of doing it. Either you can look at the longest distance. What is the longest distance there? Distance between A and B, right? Now look at this. The 2 points here are A and B. They are the end points. That means the third point, that is C, will be between A and B. That means we can say C is between A and B. Right? That means it is A dash C dash B. That's one way. The other way is we can just look at this 2 smaller distance. What is common here? In both common is nothing but C. That means we know that C is between A and B. So anyways, you look at the longer distance and identify, or look at the smaller distances and identify. It's one and the same. If you want to understand it diagrammatically, it is going to be like this. A and B, they are the endpoints, and C is between them. That is AC plus CB is equal to AB. That means we are saying that we have the collinearity here. That means we are saying that C lies between A and B. But what is the collinearity? It is A dash C dash B. It's so simple. Very easy, right? Let's do another one as easy as this. Observe this. Now the points are, what are the points? L, M, N. The distance is given. Identify the 2 smaller ones. Add it up. So what is that? 11 and 8. Add it up. So we write distance between L and M plus distance between N and L is equal to 11 plus 8. How much is that? It is equal to 19. And that's our result number 1. Beautiful. Now the next one, distance between M and N, that is equal to 12. That's our result number 2. Observe both the results. Are the values equal? No. That means there is no collinearity. There is no betweenness between them. But we need to state there, we need to say that from 1 and 2, distance between L and M plus distance between N and L is not equal to distance between M and N. That means we say that there is no betweenness between these 3 points L, M and N. Was that easy? Very easy, right?